I was at the clearance table and I found this educational toy. We're going to be unboxing it in a few minutes. Unicorn Gleamies Magical Glitter Squishies. Squishies, woo! And here's the unicorns. That's why I picked it up, because I love unicorns. And squishy, so we're going to be squishing it in our hand, and it's for ages 3+. Here we go. And I am so sorry, boys and girls. I'm just not good at opening boxes. Ooh, look at this, an orange one. Oh, he looks cute. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So excited. Oh my God. Oh, isn't that the cutest thing? And it's, oh, you squish it? Look at that. I can't get over this, boys and girls. This unicorn squeezy toy. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see someone coming over. It's my pet Fluffy. Fluffy. Look, Fluffy. Oh, you want to hold Fluffy? You want to hold it? Let's see. Right there. There you go. Ooh. Oh, Fluffy. Do you like that, Fluffy? Oh my goodness. His hands are too big, boys and girls. Fluffy's hands. What are you saying, Fluffy? You like it? Yeah! Good for you, Fluffy. This is going to be your competition from now on. This is a squeezy toy. Look at this, boys and girls. This is to relieve tension, moms and dads. There's a little horn on the unicorn's head. See him? Cool. Feels so good in your hand also. Ooh, let's see. There's the bottom of it. 4 legs. Oh, this one's out of the bag. And this is an orange one, and this is also an orange one. So I think they're identical. They're twinsies. I can see why this was on the clearance table, because there's only 2, not 3, and there's supposed to be 3 colors in there. And how many colors do we have, boys and girls? We only have 1 color. And this was unboxing the unicorn. The squishy unicorn. The glitter. Bye!